alert.
Alert, it appears the driver is still in the driver's door, unable to get out this time. The vehicle looks like it's not sinking. I repeat, it's not sinking, and the driver's head is above the water line, but they're trying to egress now.
10-4.
No alert, looks like a truck's on scene. It's attempting to pull them out. Unknown on injuries, they are moving. Appear to be alert and conscious with the driver's window open, but they haven't egressed out of it yet.
10-4.
15-16, 10-7.
15-16 at 15-28.
They look like they have one female out of the vehicle at this time.
10-4, 15-16.
Seven 202 10-6 10-41.
202 at 15-29.